children, we are discussing second video of polynomials introduction. In this, what are the types of polynomials we are discussing and relation between zeros and coefficients of polynomials we will discuss. That is main point. In the public examination, it is coming as 8 marks question. So that's why we are going to discuss standard forms, everything. Name of the polynomial, standard form, degree, zeros, example and solution I am writing as heading. So first, linear polynomial, it is short form is LP, linear polynomial. Its standard form or general form ax plus b. Its highest power to variable x is nothing is there. You can take as 1. So its degree highest power is 1. That's why 1, its degree is 1. Number of zeros is only 1. How many zeros are there means based on degree only we can say that. So we are taking one example for negative number 2x minus 3. I took one number. Suppose you are transferring 2x is equal to 0. By that time 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. We will get 2x is equal to transformation 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2 getting. Directly I am not solving, just I am showing because these are very small numbers. That's why I am directly writing. 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. By that time x is equal to 2x is equal to minus 8 coming. X is equal to minus 8 by 2. That means 2 4s are 8. Minus 4 coming. Either plus or minus will be present. But standard form represented as ax plus b only. Quadratic polynomial QP. Ax square plus bx plus c. It is standard form or general form. So its highest power for x is 2. Of course here 1 is there, but we are taking as highest power only degree. That's why its degree is 2. Here it has 2 zeros. X square minus 4 is an example. So 2 zeros will be coming. X is equal to plus or minus 2. One time plus 2, another one minus 2. Cubic polynomial, it is represented with the short form CP. Standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Its degree 3 because x power is highest power is 3. That's why degree is 3. Zeros are 3. For this higher polynomials we'll discuss in the sums in the exercise because you cannot say directly standard form solution. That's why I'm writing like this. Later in the exams, yes, how they are coming in the exercise, how they are, how should we solve, everything I shall explain later. Biquadratic polynomial means BCP, shortcut I'm telling, ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Here highest power is 4. That's why degree is 4. 4 zeros are there. 4 zeros means solutions only. That is one thing. Next, if p of x is equal to 0, then substituting x value is called 0 of the polynomial. If p of x is not equal to 0, then getting value is called value of the polynomial. This is one of the important point. Check the polynomial whether it is 0 or not. Condition to verify it is, we are going to substitute. That is the first point. In sums we will discuss. P of x is not equal to 0 getting means what is the value after substituting x value, that is value of the polynomial will get. For ax plus b, a linear polynomial, I said already linear polynomial as example upside. So then solution is, what is the solution here? Minus constant divided by coefficient of x. That means minus b by a. It is represented in letters. For ax square plus bx plus c, a quadratic polynomial, then relation between zeros and coefficients are, that is one coefficient is say alpha, another coefficient is beta, then alpha plus beta, that is called sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Alpha beta means that product of zeros. This is product of zeros because into this is equal to c by a, constant by coefficient of x square. For ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d cubic polynomial, the relationship between zeros and coefficients are sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube is equal to minus b by a. Sum of the product of two zeros is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube is equal to c by a. Product of three zeros is equal to minus constant by coefficient of x cube is equal to minus d by a. These all sums are present in 10th standard as a high score marks as 8 marks. In the interlevel also theory of equations present. So you have to learn this. While you are doing the sums, you can understand each and every concept clearly. These are key points. That's why I am giving as a formula. If alpha, beta are zeros given, then quadratic polynomial can be written as in the form of k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. If alpha, beta, gamma are the three zeros given, then cubic polynomial k into x square x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. Graph for linear polynomial, that means line is getting, because this is linear polynomial, that's why line is getting in the graph. Graph for quadratic polynomial, that means QP, parabola coming. Okay, this is required at least 5 to 6 points minimum to draw the graph paper. Graph for cubic polynomial is zigzag. It is look like a n shape. Number of zeros to polynomials in a graph. How many times it touches at x-axis, those many zeros are present. Here in a graph I am showing that it touches x-axis at only one point. That's why it has only one zero. Suppose here one curve I draw, that it touches at x-axis at two different points. That's why it has two zeros. And next, last one is the curve, the given curve what I have drawn. It touches at x-axis at three different points. That means it has three zeros. Children, have a nice day. This is very important points. So many times you watch so that you will get the perfection about all these things. Thank you.